Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Virus. I am Subham Keshri. In this session, we will learn about marquee tag in HTML. The HTML marquee tag defines a movable or scrolling text area or image in HTML document that moves across the page in horizontal or vertical direction. This is a container tag. Marquee attribute support some attribute which are behavior, bg color, direction, height, width, loop, scroll delay. Now we see all of these one by one. First one is behavior. It defines the behavior of how the text scrolls. The value can be one of them, which are alternate, scroll, slide. BG color. These attributes give the background color to the marquee tag. Direction specifies the scrolling direction. The value of direction can be up, down, left, right. The default value is left. Height. It specifies the height of marquee. Width. It specifies the width of marquee. Loop. Sets the number of times the marquee tag scroll its content. After the final scroll, the content remains in a fixed position. The default value is -1, which scroll the text infinite time. Scroll delay. This increases or decreases the speed of scroll. Now, open your text editor and write here HTML head, then title, give a title here, now close title tag, close head tag, open body tag. Now write here marquee and write some text. The Tech Virus. Close marquee tag. Now close body tag and finally close HTML tag. Save it. Okay. Now run this marquee.html. See the text, the Tech Virus is moving from right to left. Okay. Now this is the effect of marquee tag. Now use attribute inside marquee tag. First one attribute is behavior. Right here behavior equals to alternate. Save it and refresh it. See, the Tech Virus is coming from right side to left side. Wait. Now see, after reaching the left point of the web page, the Tech Virus is returning again. Okay, this is the effect of behavior alternate value. Now right here bg color equals to green. Save it, refresh it. See, the background of marquee has become green now. Okay. Now right here direction. Right. Now refresh it. See, Now the take virus is coming from left and going to right. This is because of direction is right. Now use height attribute. Right here 100%. Now save and refresh it. See, the height of this marquee area has increased now to 100%. You can also change it to say 10%. Run it. See, now it has become 10%. Give here width attribute and write 50%. Sorry, 50%. Save it and run it. See, the width of this marquee area has decreased now. Okay. Now right here is scrolling delay. Sorry, scroll delay. Right here 3000 means 3000 millisecond. Save it and refresh it. See, now the marquee takes the take virus speed is decreased. Do it fast. Right here 1000. Save it, run it. See, now it has become some fast. Okay. Now write one more attribute, which is loop. Right here loop equals to 1. Remove it, save it and run it. See, previously the take virus was moving infinite time, but now it is moving only one time and then go to a fixed position. Okay. Friends, in this session we saw marquee tag and more attribute of marquee tag. If you have any type of difficulty in marquee tag, then please knock me on comment section. Thank you.